Is it possible that the North Pole is actually shifting? This is an amazing story. When we say the North Pole, by the way, we mean the scientific name for it, right? We're not talking about Santa Claus's crib, but rather the magnetic north. And the real question in this story is, what are the implications of something like this? You're going to love this story. Watch what Michelle Greenstein puts together for us to better understand what's actually going on in our world.
The North Magnetic Pole is constantly on the move, but now it's shifting at a rate faster than any other time in human history. Now, the magnetic North Pole is different than the geological North Pole, which is simply the northern tip of Earth's axis. The magnetic North Pole is the northern focus of the planet's magnetic field, and magnetic north is the direction in which a compass needle points. Navigators have been guided by magnetic north for centuries. Today it's used by planes, ships, and submarines. And for most of recorded history, magnetic north has chilled around Ellesmere Island in Canada, but it appears as though it'll soon be in Russia. This rapid shift has forced researchers to update the World Magnetic Model, which tracks the positions of Earth's poles and is funded by the US and UK militaries. Scientists update this every 5 years, but its next update, which was scheduled for 2020, has been pushed forward because of this acceleration. According to Ciaran Beggan, a geophysicist at the British Geological Survey, the North Magnetic Pole has only started moving north in the past 50 years. Beggan says that the North Magnetic Pole went from moving about 5 to 10 kilometers a year to 50 or 60 kilometers a year today. It's now moving rapidly towards Siberia. Now, in just the last decade, this movement has thrown off compasses roughly by 1 degree every 5 years. In fact, Tampa International Airport in Florida was forced to rename its runways, which are named after their corresponding degree on the compass. So why is this happening? Well, movement of the pole is caused by flows of molten liquid iron in the Earth's core. The movement of this liquid is what creates Earth's magnetic field. In 2016, a geomagnetic pulse happened in South America, but what caused this pulse is unknown. Now, for most users of the World Magnetic Model, like me using my cell phone in Washington, D.C., this difference would be barely perceptible. The compasses built into our smartphones would only be fractionally wrong, but this will affect those navigating in the Arctic Ocean, north of Canada, like NATO and the U.S. military. And the Earth's climate is significantly affected by the planet's magnetic field. According to a study by a researcher with the Geological Survey of Denmark and Greenland, there's a strong correlation between the strength of Earth's magnetic field and the amount of precipitation in the tropics. And in the long term, the effects of this movement will be noticed by all because of these, the aurora borealis, commonly known as the northern lights. The aurora is caused by interaction between Earth's magnetic field and charged particles being propelled out of the sun. So as the magnetic North Pole moves, so will the lights.
Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out our channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have tons of content for you just like this. For more of RT America's one-of-a-kind news and analysis, be sure to subscribe and never stop questioning more.